So these are some common misconceptions that physics students encounter while during their course of study. So the first one is when the velocity is zero, acceleration is zero. So so if a ball is like thrown up and when it reaches its highest point, its velocity is zero, it doesn't necessarily mean that the acceleration is zero because there's a constant acceleration due to gravity on all objects of 9.8 meters per second squared. So the velocity of this ball is constantly changing. So the acceleration isn't zero because its overall velocity is constantly changing due to gravity, so this idea would be incorrect. And the second one is acceleration is the same thing as velocity. Well, acceleration is a rate at which velocity increases or decreases in a certain direction. And then velocity is a speed in one direction at which an object moves at a steady rate. So velocity would be like 25 miles per hour. It stays the same if you maintain that speed, and then acceleration is like 5 meters per second squared, which means that it increases by 5 meters every second. And then the last one is heavier objects fall faster than lighter ones. So if we had like a bowling ball and a baseball, the force of gravity is the same for both objects, which is 9.8 meters per second squared. Mass isn't really significant, and gravity doesn't change regarding what object it's acting upon.